Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Steam to ask which account you want to use every time you launch the app. This is super useful if you share your computer with family or friends, or if you just manage multiple Steam accounts yourself. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, go ahead and open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this drop-down menu, you'll need to select the option that says Change Account. This is the key feature that allows you to manage how Steam handles multiple accounts on your device. Clicking this will take you to a new window where you can configure your account switching preferences. Now in this window, you'll see a checkbox option that reads Ask which account to use each time Steam starts. Go ahead and check this box. This setting tells Steam that instead of automatically logging into the last used account, it should pause and let you choose which profile you want to access. This gives you complete control over which account loads every single time. After checking that box, click the Continue button to save your changes. Once you do this, Steam will need to restart and apply the new settings you just configured. You'll need to wait for a few seconds while Steam closes and prepares to reload with your updated preferences. This brief waiting period is normal as the application refreshes itself. Once Steam has finished loading, you can test out your new setup. Close Steam completely and then reopen it. This time, instead of automatically logging you into your account like before, Steam will now automatically ask which Steam account you want to log into. You'll see a list of all the accounts that have been used on this computer previously. Finally, just click on the profile you want to log in with, and Steam will load that specific account for your gaming session. Now, every time you launch Steam, you'll have the flexibility to choose exactly which account you need without having to manually log out and log back in each time. And that's it, you've successfully configured Steam to prompt you for account selection at startup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.